Ideas that make life brighter. At Godrej Appliances, our research and development teams keep working relentlessly to come up with some of the most innovative refrigeration solutions for a better living. Our range of direct cool refrigerators offers maximum cooling and energy efficiency, while frost-free refrigerators come with an array of advanced features. We now present yet another marvel of technology, a refrigerator with the best of both the worlds. Features of both, a direct cool as well as a frost-free refrigerator, blended into one. Godrej Edge DT, India's first and only hybrid refrigerator with a super intelligent frost-free function. Here's the advanced frost-free mode with 4 unique features that not only make your refrigerator as convenient as a frost-free, but even smarter. Intelligent frost-free mode. First, the photosensor control feature. It senses light to determine whether it's daytime or nighttime and ensures that defrost is done preferably at night, when the refrigerator usage tends to be low. Senses light for smart defrost during night. Usage analyzer. It detects when you're using your refrigerator and avoids defrosting during these hours so that you are not inconvenienced. The digitally controlled compressor monitor tracks the compressor's operation including its cumulative runtime and then decides when the refrigerator should undergo defrost for optimal performance. The temperature monitor takes into account the temperature of the refrigerator before going ahead with the defrost process. Monitors temperature for timely defrost. The refrigerator's defrost control function glows when it is undergoing defrost. You can stop the process by simply touching the icon. If you wish to defrost manually, all you have to do is select the mode again. With this exclusive function, Godrej Edge DT, unlike any other refrigerator, enables you to take control of your refrigerator's operation. Here's the Turbo Chill mode for quick chilling. The function comes handy, especially during summers, so that when you have guests, serving cool refreshments quickly isn't a problem. Quicker chilling during summers and emergencies. In addition to these superior functions, Godrej Edge DT also comes loaded with numerous other features, many of them the best in the industry. Powered by an unmatched compressor, Godrej Edge DT delivers 15% higher efficiency over the minimum limit set by BEE to qualify for 5-star rating, thus becoming the most energy-efficient refrigerator in its class. Its thick insulation and better door sealing help retain cooling for longer, hence reducing the load on the compressor and increasing energy efficiency. The green refrigerant used in the refrigerator takes energy efficiency to the next level. While offering superior energy efficiency, doesn't compromise even a bit on the cooling aspect, with 50% faster ice making, 20% faster pull-down time, and 80% better cooling than other refrigerators, even at 45 degrees centigrade. It makes sure that you don't really feel the heat during summers. Stay Cool technology in Godrej Edge DT retains cooling for up to 24 hours despite power cuts. This is the highest cooling retention in its category, which ensures long-lasting cooling in the refrigerator. So no more worries of food getting wasted or cleaning hassles during power cuts. Stay Cool technology. 24-hour cooling retention despite power cut. Godrej Edge DT brings you the maximum storage space wherever it matters. You get 44% extra vegetable space with a jumbo vegetable tray and unique door crispers to store extra fruits and vegetables. In addition, it has mini veg trays to store frequently used items such as ginger, curry leaves, chilies and lemons, and thus gives you quick and easy access to them while cooking. The dry store at the base can be used to store dry vegetables like onions, garlic and potatoes, making your refrigerator a one-stop shop in your kitchen. With the largest shelf space in its category, Godrej Edge DT lets you store as many dishes as you want. The largest shelf space in its class. If the main compartment offers so much space, so does the refrigerator's freezer. Godrej Edge DT has the largest freezer in its class. The freezer comes with a next generation easy-to-use multi-utility ice tray. Now you don't have to struggle with sticky ice trays to take out ice. In fact, you can also use the tray for quick setting of jellies or to bake cookies in your own microwave oven. Moreover, the refrigerator comes with 2.5-liter aqua space to store the largest cola bottles and a deep bottom chiller tray which can fit 5 1-liter bottles. Its thoughtfully designed door means you can store items such as chocolates, medicines, spices or dairy and keep them handy whenever you need them. To ensure maximum freshness, Godrej Edge DT comes equipped with silver iron freshness technology in the vegetable tray and door crispers, anti-bee technology in the gasket, and the unique aroma lock, a carbon palladium deodorizer to remove foul odor and eliminate the trapped ethylene gases which cause premature food decay. With a removable gasket that can be easily cleaned and maintained, toughened glass shelves which can carry weight of up to 120 kilograms, ZOP technology with a 10-year rust-free door warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty, Godrej Edge DT is built for optimum durability. Well, like all Godrej refrigerators, Edge DT too continues our green tradition. With its 100% CFC, HFC and HCFC-free ozone-friendly refrigerant. Godrej Edge DT, India's first and only hybrid refrigerator, is available in a wide range of colors. All set to cater to the evolving needs of today's consumer.